How to set a primary domain in Squarespace. To do that, head over to accounts.squarespace.com and choose right here the website that you wish to have a primary domain with. Click onto this website, and then this will open the actual dashboard for this particular site. Once you're here, the next thing you need to do is to just head over and then go to this gear icon that you can find on your right sidebar. Click onto the settings, and from in there, click onto this domain and email. You can find here this domain, so proceed to click on this. Now from in there, you can already see our actual primary domain. So this is the synthesizer squarespace.com. So if you want or if you have two domains, you can actually set one as primary. So to do that, just click on the domain that you want to set as your primary and just input right there or just make it your primary domain based on that one that you currently have. To have it as your primary domain by ticking the option for that as well. So that's how you set primary domain in Squarespace. Hope we helped.